Hello everyone. This will be a detailed walkthrough of Martha Makes Art's new teddy bears coloring book that she designed, and it is available on Amazon. I will put a link to it down below, as well as to Martha Makes Art YouTube channel. So yeah, and I asked her if it was okay if I did a walkthrough, and she said, okay, yeah, sure. I don't even have mine copy yet, so that's pretty weird. She's probably not getting hers till Tuesday. So you're getting a really advanced look at her coloring book. And she likes bold and easy coloring, so, she can talk about that later. Teddy Bears Living Their Best Life by Martha Makes Art. 40 bold and easy pages to color. This book belongs to... Follow Martha on YouTube for inspiration. Here's her channel name. And she is an inspiration. Thank you for that, Martha. And also an enabler because I wasn't really into coloring that much other than stamped images. And I am now. Yeah. Oh, and look for new releases in the near future. Here we have a little sailor teddy bear. So cute. And this looks like a scout or maybe army with a helmet on. Service people. They would have been good for Veterans Day. Firefighter. So I have to get better at coloring fur, or maybe not. A painter. It should be a female one though, Martha. It should be you. Police or crossing guard. Stop. Stop what you're doing and go check out Martha's channel. Uncle Sam. Red, white, and blue. And more stars. Teacher, ABC. The ballerina, so cute. Another little princess, butterfly princess. Or maybe it's an angel. Whatever you want it to be. A mermaid teddy bear, or merbear. That's a different one. I've never seen that before. So cute. Oh, look, it has a heart for its nose. Did you see that? And we have a doctor. And I guess a nurse, yeah. Giving us the flu shots. Immunization. Photographer. I wish I'd be better at that. A reporter with his typewriter. Old school reporter. Those were the days, right? Skateboarding for the young people. Not me anymore, for sure. I never did skateboarding. My son had a scooter thing, but not... and he had a skateboard, too, when he was younger. A baker making pies with love. And rainy day, springtime, I guess. We really need rain badly. Oh, male. I thought it said M-A-T-L. Sorry. My eyes. Male person, male bear. Not as in male, M-A-L-E. Delivering the mail. Postal worker. There you go. Surfer. Cool. Never done that. And I never will. Musician. Love that. Hawaiian, what do they call them? Hula dancers. I could try that. 70s hippie bear with the bell bottoms. Oh, yes, I had hip hugging bell bottoms, and I embroidered one pair of them down the sides of both legs with like a flower design. I wish I still had those. I really do. They would not fit me. I was like a size 3 back then, but yeah, not anymore. A Frankenbear. That's cute. Baseball. Take me out to the ballpark. Sorry. Sewing. Yep. We had home ec in high school way back when. And they changed the name of it by the time my son was in the same school I went to. Basketball. So we're having the Bears. And the soccer. We got all the sports going on here. And the football. That was one on the back cover. Cute. The chef. It must be Italian chef with spaghetti and meatballs. Um, Park ranger, I'm gonna say, with flowers on his hat and his belt. A clown. I will tell you that's probably my least favorite just because, not that I don't like the bear. I just I'm weird with clowns. That one's okay. It's like the circus trainer. And I like the animals and stuff, but I feel bad for them too. Halloween. Scarecrow. So cute. One for Christmas. Maybe I'll do that this year with the Santa hat and the holly berries. Oh, look at that round belly. And in the stocking. So there's a couple in here for Christmas. So pretty. Springtime's, maybe, I don't know if that's poinsettias. Maybe. Yeah. Oh, and here we have the lucky Irish bear. Leprechaun. Easter. And that's it. So it takes you through many different things, not just seasons, but also sports and other activities and just some fun pictures. So thank you, Martha. It's a great book, and I look forward to coloring in it. Now I just have to figure out what mediums I'll use. So, and thank you also for giving us a colored image because, I need that to kind of go by sometimes. All right, everyone. Be sure to check out Martha. If you're interested in her book, please do go over to Amazon. It's available now because I got it. And it's no more than any of the other Amazon coloring books are. So yeah, check it out. And it feels nice and thick. I'm sure actually it feels a little smoother than some of the other Amazon papers. So that's nice. I like that. Yeah. I mean, it's still kind of kind of thin, but it's smoother and it is one-sided. So just be sure to put a paper between the pages if you use, markers that'll bleed through like alcohol markers. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll be back soon with another video. Hugs, love, and peace.